Sanibonani guys, wozani ngapha masinga. Usisi yangibhalela uthi awushozi so usisi ulindiwe ni husband ekubidi. Odi I'm dealing with mother-in-law from hell. And ngapha on top ukuthi unenhliziyo empi usebenzisa chemical engineering. Usisi uthi okay awushozi mina noPete sahlangana vele kudala yes sahlangana rabamo. Kwaba mnandi uPete was like you know what ngifuna abantwana and ngifuna abantwana baphuma emshadweni stuff like that one. So I think it's time ukuthi ngithumele amalobolo kini. Uthi awushozi okay thina singabantu abathandazayo and like sometimes I'll dira midiro tsantsoro lo nofunisisa ukuthi umdiro uhamba kanjani yabona. Uthi masiya lapha yana sithi sofunisisa ukuthi kuzohamba kanjani bakhipha umamazala ukuthi umamazala ucreate something ukuthi ngelanga lamalobolo kube nomuntu oshonayo so amalobolo angayenzeki. Hayi bathi vele bathandaze bafaste bayenze everything for ukuthi bayenze bathi ngelanga lamalobolo umamazala vele wagula kabuhlungu ngilabona wagula ukuthi like icase ya reverse yangena yaba back to the sender yabona. Uthi awushozi ngalojoliwa uthi mangilojoliwa umamazali my husband uthi ngishada i-breadwinner so indoda yami isupporta everyone efamily ubakhele umuzi like and title deed yakabhuti everything yabhuti wamamuva wahlalisa lapho. Okay kwafika mina mangifika vele mamazali wami azange ngithande from the word go futhi azange ngifune nokungi pretendela. So enza ukuthi ubrother sobatshela ukuthi ufuna ingane like kulabona like we are trying for a child things like that. Uthi umamazala wayama up and down or awushozi mamazala yade up and down ngake chemical engineering wafasiwe uthi la into engijabulelayo ukuthi my husband like ukhona ubona hore umama wakhe unjani yabona but angisho umzali ngeke uzokhona ukumlahla but uyabona ukuthi umama wakhe unjani. Uthi ayicale vele sihambe imthandazo sihambe like sihlole ukuthi kahle kahle what's blocking us ukuthi sibe nengane yethu. Uthi awushizanga ubotshoro everywhere la siyakhona kupoppa up umamazala everywhere mamazala present so uthi ayisahamba safika lapho ke angazi kamakhosi or emporfitini or kuphi she didn't specify sahamba then ba reverse icase ukuthi ngibe nomntwana yabona. Uthi okay now ya reversiwe icase luckily ngaba nomntwana uthi besihlala nabo so we ended up saphuma move out cause like izinto nje bezingase right like chemical engineering was everywhere and be visible ikulabona ukuthi sazi ukuthi wenzani yabona. Mina my husband saphuma ke saya endaweni yethu lahlala khona manje endlini yethu of which that house yaka my husband but sathi ukuthi masimiyeke ngale cause uyahlukumeza sizifunele yethu indawo so sihlala lapho. What I can tell you is that uloye indodana yakhe uloye my husband uthi indoda yami ihola above 25k per month mara chelete net once ikena mu accounting I don't know. Uthi mina like ungithakathe ukuthi impilo yami ibe stand still ayikho into engiyenzayo ephumelelayo empilweni yami. Number 2 uhusband wami makaholile imali once akhipha 100 rand imali nje vele yaphela yashabalala we don't know ukuthi senze ini akubonakali like nathi impilo yethi iyeme mo blinking a1. So mina no husband sometimes said let's go and find out kahle kahle kwenzakalani because finances siya struggleisha ngathi mina noma akasebenzi kahle yabona. Masifika bathi umamazali ubophe everything or awushozi Moriang everywhere whether mprofita krikeng kai everywhere kupoppa up umamazala. So my husband knows ukuthi kwenzakalani. So uhusband wami ubabakhe like uyagula yabona uyagula kase right. So mamazala wami umxosha kule yandlu leyana sibashele yona umxosha. So my husband had to ukuthi athathe ubaba wakhe azomthokomela. So my husband ekseni before emsebenzini uyavuka ekseni ngamatha agezisa ubaba wakhe amgcokisini phi amuphuza. Remember nagibireki I'm a housewife yabona. So uyazama by all means ukuthi athokomele ubaba wakhe yabona. So the problem is ubaba wakhe ngisho yagula sometimes yalikhumula imipi and then ke tla be ke bona di-tools tsa father-in-law like into engistressayo. My husband uyatry ukuthi athole i-home based care but king i-old age home ukuthi akhona ukuthi atholele my husband my father-in-law indawo lapha ngakhona bambeke khona batlomhlokomela and stuff like that. Uthi everywhere la sama khona ugcwele kuna space kuma waiting list. Mara awusichosi father-in-law like sometimes fanele kube yimi ngiyomlungisayo but the husband doesn't know, because the husband usho ukuthi makamlungisele ahamba uzophinde amlungise futhi makabuye. But sometimes kenze ukuthi father-in-law ngoba uyazigulela inephi alcohol and then mina ngibone by chance ke the private part babazala. So usisi manje uthi awushozi impilo esiphilayo is like siphila impilo ukuthi vele everywhere we go uyathakathwa emithi umamazala and the family abantwana baka father-in-law, they don't want to take care of ubaba wakhe mina bayamxosha kubathaza ngabakholisi. So now irresponsibility kamini wami, meaning ukuthi like he's my responsibility. Mama ukuthi aye clinic aye esibhedlela for ama check up and stuff, yimi pushing, yimi everywhere. I love my husband. Ngiyamthanda ukuthi young protector unam, but this thing it's draining me, especially now masine moto uthi moto izile be right, imoto ihlala iphuka now and then, imali iphuma iyolungisa imoto iphuka wathanda izinto useless, ihlala iphuka nje just because of sifane singabi nemali ending. So we went to this person to consult khona yabona. So uthi how masifika, they were like the mother-in-law and nama siblings ka brothers bafuna ukungiphanisha ukuthi mina ngibathethele isinkwa emlomeni, meaning ukuthi because of the brother bekayi provider, bekayi breadwinner. So ngoba lo shadile afika move away from the family, so now they want to punish them ukuthi basotlehe or awusichozi siyasotleha, but my husband uyasebenza kahle. Uthi imoto ihlala iphuka, ihlala ikhipha imali. Uthi lo muntu lo usho lathi imoto engeke izilunge because la ihambe khona bathethe umhlabathi wamathaya bayasebenza. Uthi imoto yenu nje bayisebenzele ukuthi inibulale ihlala iphukile. So uthi because of siyathandaza uya fasting ayikhona ukusibulala mara ukuphuka shame uthi yaphuka. So sisi uthi you know what, I'm writing ngoba ngicela usizo, like give me advices uthi ngenze kanjani, ngifike ndi tip or kireve because this thing young stressa, young drainer, it drainer even my husband, because kubhlungu ukuthi usebenze the whole month mafaka ukuthi uhole la imali vele ivanish nje without a trace ukuthi wenzeni ngayo ukuze iphele, we don't even know. So or ke kupela the advices ukuthi singayenza kanjani to solve this issue, because simovile sabashana endlu safuna yethu indawo, but still mother-in-law behind me.